Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga Upload. I'm Maris Aylward. Today's video is a morning yoga sequence full body stretch that's 17 minutes long. We start in child's pose, go through some gentle poses and stretches, work our way up to standing, and eventually end in mountain pose. We'll do gentle stretches for the upper body and the lower body, side stretches, forward folds, back bends, and some gentle twists. We add some flowing movement as well to energize the body and get you ready for your day. As always, do what you can, rest when you need to, and enjoy your practice. Let's start. Begin in child's pose. Bring your knees wide, sit your hips back towards your heels. Relax your upper body and your arms on the mat. Start taking deep breaths. Throughout your practice, be aware of how you're breathing, how you're feeling. Watch the thoughts as they come and go. Remember, you're spending time on your mat to help get yourself ready to face the challenges of the day. Turn your palms up to face the ceiling. Actively press the backs of your hands down on the mat. Notice your neck, your shoulders, and your upper back. Also notice the hips, the thighs, the knees, and the ankles. Take a few more deep breaths here. Stay in this variation or bring your palms together, lift the hands, bring your thumbs towards your upper back. Allow the chest, the arms, and the head to be heavy towards your mat. Keep the breath going. And release the hands down to the mat. Slowly ease out of child's pose, make your way up to tabletop, hands and knees. Stack hips over knees, shoulders over wrists for some cat and cow. Inhale, lift the tailbone, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, round your back and push the floor away in cat pose. Continue the flow. Inhale, lift the tailbone, arch the back. Exhale, round your spine, relax your head. Flow a few more times on your own, connecting your breath and your movement. Do one last round and eventually make your way back to the center, neutral spine. Prepare for a side stretch. Walk your hands towards the left. Go as far as you can go without pain. Pause at your edge, then sit your hips back towards the right. Feel that lengthening in the right side of your upper body and your right arm. Relax the head completely and breathe. Carefully come back up and switch to the other side. Walk your hands over to the right. Sit the hips back towards the left, lengthening the left side. Breathe through the sensations that are coming up. And carefully release. Come back to the center. Take a breath. Prepare for hero pose, Virasana. Bring the knees together, sit on the heels, keep the spine nice and tall. Do a few shoulder rolls here, lifting the shoulders up, rolling them back. Pause your movement, reach the arms behind you with the palms facing each other, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Feel that expansion across the chest. Best that you can, interlace your fingers behind you lifting the hands away from the hips, maybe lifting the gaze, or keeping the eyes closed. Deep breaths here. Release the fingers and change the way you interlace them. Do your non-habitual way. And once again, bring the palms closer together, lift the chest, lift the face, squeeze the shoulder blades together. On your next breath, release. Shake out the hands. This time, add on to your Virasana, tuck your toes under, sit on the heels once again. Notice the ankles and the feet. We'll add eagle arms. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, swing your right arm under the left arm. Press the palms and the forearms together. Maybe a double bind with the wrists. Or just hug yourself with the right arm under the left arm. Whatever works for you. Notice the neck, the shoulders, the upper back, and the chest. Explore some movement here, like lifting the elbows up or drawing them down. You can also look side to side. Notice how your neck is feeling. Maybe some twists or side bends. You have some time here for your own exploration. Eventually make your way back to the center. Take a few deep breaths. Observe. And release. Unwrap your arms. Come to hands and knees just to give the feet a break. Maybe tap the feet a few times. You can also use your fists on your mat. And we'll prepare for the other side. Tuck your toes under again, sit on the heels. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the left arm under the right. Press the palms and forearms together. Or maybe just give yourself a hug with the left arm under the right arm. Pause and observe how this side feels. And anytime you can add other movements. Looking side to side, doing neck circles, moving the arms up and down, or maybe adding twists and side bends. Your own exploration again here. Keep the breath going. And come back to the center. Release from your pose. Come to hands and knees. Move the feet around. Maybe tap the feet or do circles with your ankles. Prepare for your downward facing dog. Spread the fingers wide, press the palms down, tuck your toes under and lift up. Full body stretch here. If you'd like to move around, go ahead and walk your feet in place. Shift your weight side to side. Maybe shake the head no, make sure the neck is relaxed. If you're moving, pause and take a breath in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot forward for low lunge. Drop your left knee down to the mat. Keep your left hand on the ground and reach your right arm up for a twist. You can keep reaching the right arm up, or if it feels better, wrap your right arm behind you. Look over the right shoulder. Or if it feels better for your neck, you can look down. Few more seconds here. And release that right hand down to the mat. Prepare for half splits. Shift your hips back to straighten that front leg. Keep the length in your upper body and feel that stretch in the right hamstrings. Press your toes back towards your face. Deep breaths here. And carefully release. Bend your front knee again. Plant the palms down and step back to downward facing dog for a few moments. And we'll try the other side. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward, low lunge. Drop your right knee down to the mat. Keep the right hand down and reach your left arm up for that twist. Keep reaching the left hand up or wrap your left arm behind you. Gaze in any direction that feels good for your neck. And in the next few seconds, we'll release from our pose. Bring that left hand down to the mat. Half splits. Shift your hips back, straighten the front leg any amount that you can. Keep that left foot awake. Lengthen your upper body from tailbone to crown as you fold over that front leg. Feel the stretch in the back of the leg and the thigh. Deep breaths. And carefully ease out of your pose, bend your front knee, plant the palms, and step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels up. Exhale, wave forward to a plank pose. Drop your knees to the mat and lower down with control all the way down to the floor for some Cobra waves. Bring your hands wide, rest on your fingertips. Press the hips and the pubic bone down, lift the chest, and come down. 2 more times. Inhale, wave up. Exhale, wave down. Last one. Inhale, wave up. Exhale, wave down. Bring the palms under the shoulders. Come up for your regular Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Turn your head side to side. And make your way back to downward facing dog. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, lift the heels up. Exhale, wave forward to plank. Inhale, pause and drop the knees down. Exhale, lower down, modified chaturanga. Cobra waves, bring the hands out wide. Inhale, lift the chest, wave up. Exhale, wave down. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Bring the hands under the shoulders for Cobra. Lift the chest, look side to side, and make your way back to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here. Observe how the body is feeling now. Look forward at the hands and step the feet forward for a forward fold. Feet hip distance apart, soft knees. Relax your upper body. If it feels good, cup the elbows, maybe sway side to side. Allow any tension in the upper back and the shoulders to melt away. If you have your elbows, let them go. Slowly roll up to stand. Take your time. Once you're up, reach the arms up. Inhale. Standing back bend, press the hips forward. Lift the heart, lift the gaze. And exhale to your mountain pose, Tadasana. Palms together, hands to heart. Take a breath. We'll add a few more movements here to energize the body. We'll inhale and reach the arms up. Standing back bend, lift the heart. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Soft knees, slowly roll up to stand. Once you're up, reach the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, stretch the arms out. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist left. 2 more on each side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Come back to the center. Inhale, arms up. Standing back bend again. Lift the heart. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Soft knees, slowly rise. Once you're up, reach the arms up. Inhale, side stretch this time. Exhale, right arm down, side stretch to the right. Inhale, back to center, right arm up, left arm down. Exhale, side stretch to the left. 2 more times. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, stretch to the left. Last one on each side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch. Come back to the center. Inhale, both arms up for your standing back bend. Lift the heart. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Soft knees, slowly roll up for the last time. Inhale, reach the arms up for your last standing back bend. And exhale to mountain pose, palms together, hands to heart. Let's close our practice with 3 cleansing breaths. Deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth, big sigh. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Carry this peaceful energy with you as you go through the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.